Hey Jack, what are you doing?
I'm fixing the ballast and realigning the track.
Okay, you are trying to make it the right angle for the bank?
Yep.
With the level?
Yeah.
Hey, do you think that you need a reward and you can ride the train on the track that you have repaired?
I think so.
Okay, so let's go to the train shed.
All right.
All aboard!
Well, Jack, I want to thank you because all this work, which is very important for the stability of the train, was well overdue.
Well, no problem.
Thank you for your help.
It's no problem at all.